streets wake up with the sound of green, hope in every step, joy in everything we've seen. A tiny spark grows bigger in no time. The neighborhood changes as we walk in the sunlight. A skyline banner line up neatly on the way. Every home adds a breath of fresh air each day. One part earned seed, that's how stories begin. Nature calls us in, and we join with a grin. Kids in the streets racing, flowers in bloom. Even the winter clouds this brand new tune. A clean world is the only legacy we choose. The green movement grows with every step we use. The neighborhood gathers under the evening light. The sky now shines with air that feels right. We did this together, we say with pride. The green movement rises, living strong inside. Nature calls us in, and we join with a grin.